Here we are with the mid-chapter 5 review exercises, numbers 7 through 14. We're just going to be multiplying these polynomials together. So here we're going to just be distributing, and down here we'll have to super distribute because we have polynomials times polynomials. Let's begin. Number 7, jump this in, and we get negative 16. That's negative 4 times 4. We now have r squared times r is r to the cubed, and that's all timesing y to the 7th. Timesing the next term, we get minus 4 times 7 is 28. There are no more r's, so that r squared is just there. And y to the 7th times y to the 7th is now y to the 14th. Then when it multiplies to that third term, we get negative 4 times negative 4 is a positive 16. R squared times r squared is r to the 4th power. We've added those exponents. And then y to the 7th times y to the 30th is y to the 37th. Good. Number 8. We're going to do a similar thing. We have a monomial, so there's no super distribution going on, just distributing. So 3x to the 4th, y to the 7th times 4x is 12. X to the 5th, y to the 7th. You'll notice the 4 and the 1 right there added. Plus, going to the second term, we have 21. X to the 4th. There are no other x's there, but now we have a y to the 11th. Notice these are not the same like terms, but when they multiply, it's just this times that times that, and then we simplify what we can with multiplication. Timesing into the third term is now minus 12. X to the 6th, that's the 4 plus the 2, and then y to the 7th, y to the 7th, that is y to the 14th. Good. Number 9. Now we're going to super distribute. We'll take the s squared, go there, it's s to the 6th, and then we'll do minus 2s to the 4th, and then all the way there, and it is plus 7s squared. Let's use a slightly different color and jump that negative 3, and negative 3 goes right there. We have minus 3s to the 4th, so we'll put him under that guy. So the s to the 4ths are all together. Then we have a positive 6s squared, and then a minus 21. And then we add those two together, and we get as an answer s to the 6th minus 5s to the 4th plus 13s squared minus 21. Good. Number 10, super distribution again. Let's take that in, and we have r to the 3rd minus 2r squared plus 3r. Change to a slightly different color and jump the 3, and the 3 goes in there, and I have a plus 3r squared. So that goes right with the r squared. Minus 6r and plus 9. All right, and the answer then when we combine the terms, notice we did a binomial times a trinomial. 2 times 3 is 6. We had 6 terms before the simplification started. R cubed plus 1r squared minus 3r plus 9. Number 11. F times f is f squared minus 3f, and then with a different color here, go like that. That's plus 4f, and then minus 12. All right, so the answer then when we combine these two middle terms together would be f squared plus f minus 12. Excellent. Number 12. G jumps into both of those, so we get a g squared plus 6g, and then the minus 2 jumps into both of them, and we get a minus 2g minus 12. Combining like terms where we can, and we get g squared plus 4g minus 12. Alrighty, number 13. Take the h squared into both of them, and we get a minus 2h to the 4th minus 6h cubed. And then pick a different color and do the 4h. And we get minus 8h cubed minus 24h squared. We can combine those two in the middle, and we get minus 2h to the 4th minus 14h cubed minus 24h squared. All right, and the last one, number 14. 3j cubed times 4j squared is 12j to the fifth plus 3j cubed, and then use different color there. The negative 2, oops, there we go. Negative 2 comes in here, and we get negative 8j to the third power. Again, that's a 1 and a 2, so we add exponents when we multiply, minus 6j. Alrighty, can we combine any? Yeah, we got some like terms there. So these two go together, and we get 12j to the fifth minus 5j cubed minus 6j. Now we should note a couple of things. These ones where they're simple little binomials like this, notice that 4 times 3 was 12, 4 times a negative 3 was 12, and 4 plus a negative 3 was a positive 1. Negative 2 times 6 is a negative 12, negative 2 plus 6 is a positive 4. So there are some patterns emerging from these exercises.